Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and prepping the unit. First, plug the speaker in or confirm battery is at least 20% because resets need stable power. Next, turn the speaker off and remove it from your phone or laptop Bluetooth list so pairing state clears. Make sure you can see the power and Bluetooth or multi-function buttons. You'll use them next. Doing this prevents the device from immediately reconnecting and helps the reset wipe the previous pairing information effectively. Now perform the actual reset using button combos. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together for roughly 10 seconds. Models with a multi-function button require holding that and power for 5 to 10 seconds. You're looking for a blinking LED pattern or a confirmation tone. That's the speaker clearing settings. Once you hear the tone or see the light change, release the buttons. The speaker reboots. This removes saved devices and restores the Bluetooth module to factory state. Finish by repairing and checking operation. Turn the speaker back on and enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer. Scan for new devices and choose the speaker name. If a PIN is requested, try 0000 or 1234. Many Bose units accept those. If pairing fails, restart both devices, check for firmware updates, and try a different phone to isolate the issue. If the speaker still won't pair, factory reset again or contact support. Often a second reset clears lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.